Hi, today we'll go through a quick little tutorial on how to convert a normal image into one which looks like this for posting on Facebook. We'll be using Adobe Photoshop. You can use other programs as long as they have tools such as the pen tool, which you'll use to select areas, a gradient tool as well as a bucket tool, eyedropper tool, and something like the magic wand, which is used to select certain areas with the same color. So in this tutorial, we'll just be converting this image here to a depth map, which looks like this here. So that's actually quite a simple process. It just takes a bit of time to do, but I'm sure there are better techniques. This is just the way I've found. So for this next part, you'll just select the pen tool, your image editing program, and in simple terms, you're just outlining your subject. So for this photo, we'll have to outline two subjects individually. But for other ones, for example, this other shot here I've taken, you'll just outline plain. That's all you have to do because the background is the only other area. So for that, like I said, pen tool, can use the other freeform and curvature tools there or equivalent in your programs, and just start. I tend to start where the subject's off the image, but obviously for this here it won't matter, but you're simply clicking along the outline of the subject. So you'll notice like straight edges, that's fine, you can click quite far distances apart. Get to bits like this, which as you can see have curved edges. So if I am to say just click up there, I've got all of this space here, and if I click up there, more of that, and that you don't want that because that'll make the final image look quite interesting, not the way you want. So you'll just click a bit close together to get the curves. Like I said, you can use the other tools here which help better with that. So you're just doing that for the entire outline of the vehicle or subject till eventually you work your way back around to the other edge of the subject. You just keep clicking up. You get to here, click those together. That's all you have to do. Here's a little time lapse showing the process. So just outlining the subject. And eventually you'll end up with the full outline as shown here. So click Make Selection, feathering at 1, just go OK. That selects the area. Thereon, create a new layer and just name it something so you can keep track of which layer you're currently editing. Next, head over to the Bucket Fill tool, select Color. So for Facebook, colors which are white are closer to the camera, whereas black or darker colors are further from the camera. These can be changed at a later time with relative ease, so don't worry too much about them at the moment. So here's just another time lapse of me outlining the soldier for the image. So as you can see, this one's now completed. As it's closer to the camera, you'll set it a lighter color, so it's the same process as before. As you can see, I did it the wrong way around. I put it as a darker color, but make sure you use light colors for close to the camera, whereas darker colors for things such as the background, which are further away. So as you can see here, I use the gradient tool. You can use that for surfaces such as the ground, as it is coming closer to the camera, which allows you to keep that perspective. And here you can see me doing the background, same process, and you just use the layers to shift that around to your advantage so you don't have to trace everything. So for this next part, make sure you save the depth map the exact same name as the original file, but with the addition of underscore depth as shown here. It can be PNG format or JPEG, doesn't quite matter. So here's the image once uploaded to Facebook. So you upload both the original image and the depth map to Facebook, and it will say generating 3D image to produce this, then you can share it. So there it is, that's how you create a depth map to post an image to Facebook. Any questions, be sure to leave me a comment. I'll try to get back to you with a solution. Thank you for watching.